Good morning, children. Today we will do chapter 9, nouns. Nouns. In nouns we will be doing possessive case. Possessive case. As the name shows, possessive case means it shows the relation. What it shows? It shows a relation between two things. It shows the relationship between two nouns. Relationship between two nouns. Suppose I say this is Riya's shirt. So two nouns are there, Riya and shirt, and this apostrophe shows the relationship. Whose shirt it is? This is Riya's. So to find out the possessive case, we will be using whose shirt. The answer will come Riya's shirt. Whose shirt? Riya's shirt. So this apostrophe shows the belongingness, relationship between two nouns or pronouns. Now we can say Roma's hair is black and shiny. Black and shiny. So here the relationship is between Roma and hair. And Roma's hair means Roma, the hair that belongs to Roma. So we have put this apostrophe. Children, you have to pay attention. When the singular noun is there, noun is singular, we will be using apostrophe S. Clear? This is called apostrophe and this is called S. In singular nouns, we will be using apostrophe S to show the position. Now, sometimes this noun is plural. Suppose we say girls' school. Girls. So here we see there is a hissing sound. Girls. Hissing sound. So we won't be putting apostrophe S. We will be putting only a sign of apostrophe. Girls' school. It means it is not a school of only one girl, because one girl can't make the school. It is a school of so many girls. So here girls is plural and we will be putting here only a sign of apostrophe. Like that, it can be boys' school. In the showrooms, if you go, you must have seen on the envelopes it is written girls wear. Girls wear. Boys wear. Boys hostel. This way. Or you can write, if you have two brother and sister same birth, so you can write today is my twins birthday. Twins. Two twins. Whose birthday? Twins birthday. Today is my twins birthday. Or you can write, if we have so many farmers, suppose farmers crop, now today we have a lot of rain, and due to rain the farmers crop has been destroyed. Now children, you see, when the singular noun is there, you will be using apostrophe S if the singular noun is there. But if the noun is plural and we are having a hissing sound, then you will be putting only apostrophe. Suppose justice decision will be final. So here you will see, here is also a hissing sound, so we will be putting only a sign of apostrophe. Now third case is when we have plurals, like singular is child and the plural of child is children. Man. Man. What will the plural of man? Men. Woman. The plural of woman will be women. So if we are showing the possession of these, we will be putting here apostrophe s. Women's, children's, man's. In this way you will see we have three types of these possessive case in living beings. Here the animals could be, if we say in singular ones, cat's eye, cat's eye. So only singular cat's eye. So we will be putting apostrophe s. If we say lion's mane is long. So here lion is also singular, so we will be putting apostrophe s. But if the noun is plural, we will be putting only a sign of apostrophe. And in the third case, if the plural nouns are there apart from s at the end, then we will be putting apostrophe s. Now children, one more point is there to keep in your mind. If there are non-living things, like we say legs, table's legs, so this sentence is wrong. Table's legs we can't say, because table is a non-living thing. So what we will be doing? Legs of a table. Most of the children write my school's name is. School is non-living one, so you can't write my school's name. What you have to write? The name of my school is St. Francis Xavier School. So children, you have to keep these 4 points in your mind. One is when the noun is singular, we will be putting apostrophe s. Number 2, when the noun is plural ending in hissing sound, we will be putting only apostrophe, sign of apostrophe. Number 3, when the nouns are plural and no hissing sound is there, then we will be putting again apostrophe s. But for non-living things, we will be using of instead of apostrophe s. This is the whole part that we have done, and now you have to read this chapter today once again and then try to do the exercises, and in the evening I will be sending you the PDF so you match your answers. Thank you.